हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू ई शिक्षक। बिजनेस ग्रोथ के लिए एक्शन प्लान बनाने की बात हो या पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट हमारा एम हो या फिर स्टडीज़ के लिए सही स्ट्रैटेजीज़ डिसाइड करनी हो, इन सभी चीज़ों की प्लानिंग करने के लिए हमें अपने आप को, अपने बिजनेस को अच्छी तरह से जानना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है। आई एम मोनिशा and today I am going to talk about a self-analysis model called SWOT analysis. इस स्टडी को करने के बाद आप जो भी एक्शन प्लान फॉलो करेंगे वो आपको डेफिनेटली आपके गोल्स अचीव करने में सक्सेस दिलाएगा। Many of you who are working professionals may have already heard about SWOT analysis, but believe me, this model, this analysis is helpful for every individual who is an entrepreneur, a homemaker, or even a student. SWOT stands for strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. How is this study done? Let's begin with that. इस एनालिसिस को करने के लिए you will need a paper. Now make 4 sections on the paper and name them strength, weakness, opportunity and threats. मैं आपको हेल्प करूंगी to categorize things under these 4 sections. Let's take first one. Strengths के सेक्शन में आप उन एक्सपर्ट एरियाज़ को मेंशन कीजिए जिनमें कि आप अच्छे हैं और जो आपकी ग्रोथ में हेल्पफुल होते हैं। लेट्स टेक सम एग्जांपल्स लाइक यू कैन से आई हैव गुड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, आई एम गुड एट ईमेल राइटिंग, और आई वर्क वेल इन टीम, आई हैव गुड कन्विंसिंग skills. All these come under strengths. They help you in achieving your targets. Then coming to second section, weakness. In this section, you mention those items, those things which you feel that you are not good at, लेकिन important हैं आपके काम के लिए. Take for example, आप कह सकते हैं कि I am shy, I am not able to initiate conversation, I do not accept negligence. Then come to next section, that is opportunities. Opportunities section में आप उन लोगों और situations को लिख सकते हैं which are a help to you in achieving your goals. People who help you to exhaust your strengths to the maximum, या ऐसी places या situations जो कि आपको आपका best perform करने में help करते हैं, like you are able to perform or talk best when you are at your home or in your office, या you convey better on call rather than face to face, or there may be people like your friends, colleague, और some expert in your domain जो कि आपको help करते हैं through their knowledge. They all come under opportunities. Then the last section is threats. In threats, you can mention those people and situations which actually hinder your progress, जिसके कारण आपकी growth या तो restrict होती है या फिर they lead you to fail in the particular task. Now list out, identify such areas also. It may be lack of required data. It may be some overconfident and nagging colleague. So identify these 4 sections and list out items in these 4 areas, and after then you will be able to know yourself better and will be able to make action plans for further development. Like you can put more of efforts and energy to utilize your strengths to the maximum to see exponential development? Hope this analysis would be a good help in making your action plan for your personal growth and your business growth. I'll come up with some informative and interesting videos in coming days. Stay tuned. Bye bye.